something is odd with this. It's kind of running rough. I mean, that rod was knocking loud, it sounded like. And then when you revved it up, it almost kind of went away, or I revved it up a little bit, and it died. And then I started it back up, and it ran rough for a minute. And then after it cleared out, hell, it ain't knocking any right now. I don't get it. There was some kind of belt squeaking too. I wonder if it's something. I wonder if it was just something with the belt tensioner or something. Some accessory on the front knocking maybe. Huh. Maybe I got the deal of the century, or it's a limit. I don't know. Stay tuned.